Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 1st, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So gold is kind of consolidated. Today I was saying that if it does get a good bounce at a fib level, like a good break of structure, which you really can't see on this time frame, you'd have to drop down to the 30-minute or 15-minute in order to see some of those structures that never got broken. Definitely did make a pretty nice little impulsive move up, but no break of structure. Went down to the next fib level. Impulsive move up, no break of structure. So until we get some sort of a break of structure, I mean, I definitely would still be looking for sorts. And I actually do have an alternative view on gold, which I've been talking about for quite a while in my group, which is that this is actually a wave one, a wave two, and this is potentially going to keep on going down and eventually look like this for a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five, maybe even taking out this low. And this is all going to be a wave A of wave four on the weekly time frame, which means that after that, it'll probably make a correction to the wave A, wave B, and then eventually down again for wave C. And this is like the 8 hour time frame. So you got to think the pattern like this potentially could take a month or more to play out before we get another push up, ending a wave four and going up for a wave five. Now, I'm not 100% sure if that's what's going on. I'm actually an American, so I don't really trade gold because you can't, if you're from America, you can't trade gold on a margin account, which doesn't bother me because I have plenty of other pairs to trade. But I mean, if it breaks structure, try it as a long, and if it just keeps on going and going and going, then great news. If it doesn't break structure, then there's no reason to go long and just keep on looking for sorts. At any time you see a three-way pullback or any pullback really, especially if this really is like a wave one, wave two, and it just keeps on going down for a wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.